or welcome if you are new. My name is Mackenzie, and today I have just started decorating for Christmas, and I promised you guys I would bring you a coffee bar makeover, but I'm not gonna do a decorate with me. I'm actually gonna do a coffee bar Christmas tour. So that's what I'm here to do today. As you can see, my Christmas tree, I just put it up. It's not completely done, but my coffee bar is. So let me show you what I came up with. Okay, so I'm gonna start over here on the right side. I just have my Keurig. I have had this since we moved into our house, and I just kept that the same. If you remember, I had a little drawer down here that kept all my K-cups in. I'm actually gonna give that to the Goodwill because I don't like it. But I just added this little charger right here underneath of the Keurig, and I added my Ray Dunn Merry Christmas mug. I actually picked this mug up at TJ Maxx. I got super lucky on that one. That's the only red mug that I could actually find in stores. So moving on over here, I do have this canister. I don't have the coffee canister, so I went ahead and put my Santa's cookie canister, and it is in the Christmas red. I actually got this from a lady online, and I'm so thankful that she found it for me. And then I also have the little cream. I've had that. I usually just keep suckers in it, but I took those out, and then I just have this white Christmas tree behind it that I got from the Target dollar spot. And then behind that, I also have this hot cocoa sign. It just says quality hot cocoa. And I am sure that I probably got that from TJ Maxx. And then moving on down, I have this Believe mug. It is also Ray Dunn. And then all of the stir sticks that I have, I actually purchased on Amazon, and they just say naughty and nice, and they're just disposable. And then this mat that I'm using underneath of everything is from the Dollar General. It was actually a placemat, but I just bought one, and I'm using it underneath everything. And then this pedestal right here is one of my favorites. You guys are probably familiar with it. Boxwood and Binky actually sent me that, and I love it so much. It's so pretty, and it added the perfect touch to my coffee bar. And then moving on over here, this is actually a coffee rack, and I got it from World Market. And then down here, this is just a Lazy Susan type thing. I got this from Target, and then I just decided to add this garland around it, and I got it from Joann's. And then all of the rest of the mugs I either got from Marshall's or TJ Maxx, or traded somebody for something on Facebook Marketplace or Facebook groups. And then a subscriber actually sent me this mug, and I'm so thankful for that. That is one of my favorite ones. So yeah, I just wanted to bring you guys this quick video of what my coffee bar looks like. I love the way it turned out. Just want to give you a quick overview. If you like videos like this, please consider subscribing, because my Christmas home tour will be up next week, and it will be my complete home tour with every part of my house that's decorated, and I did change it up from last year's. So don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and hit the like button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go.